How to promote Youth Academy to Senior Team in EA FC 25. Now, this isn't too hard to do. So let's come to the Academy here by using the left and right bumper. And what we can do, we can go to the Youth Squad here. It'll tell you a little bit about the Youth Squad. And it'll bring up this window here for the first time you ever open it. If you've skipped past this quickly, this is your ideal time to pause the video and see what it actually says. But once you've gone past that, you can find a player. So let's say S. Muller here. He's 16, so you can press on him. You can add a development plan, or you can come here, as you can see contract on the right hand side, promote to senior team. But what I recommend is looking for players who are like 16, 17 and above. So Lund here, for instance, we can select promote to senior team, and there you go. Lund will be promoted to the senior team. So that's how easy it is to promote Youth Academy to the senior team in EA FC 25.